Well, people might not like this, but it's the truth, so deal with it. A lot of poverty, not all, but lots, a lot of these businesses that are stuck, that are blaming everybody, it has to do with arrogance. These people are prideful. Okay. So I'll give you an example. When you are like, oh no, what if I get a negative comment? You're making everything about yourself. Depression is at an all-time high these days, partially because people psychoanalyze themselves as a part-time job. Who am I? What was my thing? What trauma what microaggression happened to me when I was 7? We're self-obsessed. The way to get rich is to be others obsessed. When you view sales and marketing as, well, I don't know, that's dirty, that's evil. No, you're prideful and you're not willing to look silly in an effort to serve the people that your business is called to serve. You could argue that it's your moral obligation to be very loud to market your business if you actually gave a crap about the people you claim you're trying to help. So if you provide horrible service, yeah, don't market. That's unethical. If you provide great, not perfect, but great service, if you do the right thing when no one's looking, if you show up on time and do the right thing, you are should be on a rescue mission to save these homeowners from all the unscrupulous, dirty dealing businesses that you're competing with. But they're out there being loud and hurting people, and you're being quiet because you're selfish. It's arrogant. It's prideful. It's you focused. The number one fear of adults, probably where you are too, but in the US, is public speaking. And the reason people are so scared of public speaking is because they're self-obsessed. What if the public speaking had nothing to do with you? What if public speaking was about delivering a message that could plant a seed, that could grow a tree, that could change someone else's life? And if this sounds cheesy to you, you just don't get it. Business is about service of other people. It's our moral obligation to do the best we can for those that we can. We're not forcing them to buy anything, but we have to make known the possibilities. And I think a lot of business owners, at the end of the day, are very narcissistic. They think that poverty is piety, that wealth is wickedness, and them playing small somehow elevates them to some higher level of righteousness. All of it's a lie. All of it's a facade. They are selfish, scared, small thinking people. If you cared about your family and the thing you promised your wife, you would do the thing that scares you. If you cared about giving to your church and building an orphanage, you would sell more stuff to people. Selling is service. But I don't have any opinions, so don't ask me.